Most Jetmix problems are caused by a dirty or blocked nozzle. If the emulsion is coarse despite adequate water pressure and flow, or the concentration or throughput are too low, the Jetmix nozzle must be cleaned. Loosen the jet pipe in a vise or with a wrench. Remove the nozzle from the Jetmix housing completely with spacer bushing and nozzle body. Then thoroughly clean the nozzle, spacer bushing and nozzle body. Clean the nozzle pipe and Jetmix housing as well. Replace the two O-rings in the housing using a screwdriver. Insert the nozzle body into the nozzle with one finger. Make sure the nozzle body does not get jammed. Then insert the nozzle with the spacer bushing into the housing from below. The locking pin needs to be aligned using the groove provided. At the end, screw in the nozzle pipe again. And finally, reinstall the standpipe and emulsion pipe as well as the water pipe if necessary. The Jetmix is now ready for use again.